Hey everybody, today I am working on installing our new rear bumper. It's by Jeep Federation. Basically it's a full width bumper. Has two spots basically for some dualies, and we're going to show you how easy it is to install. So stick with me. I got over here a new rear bumper for the JK Jeep Federation. So it's got a couple of locations for some pods. It's pretty simple to install. It comes with a couple of different items here. Hardware wise, you got 4 bolts, and then you're going to use basically the 4 of the old bolts from the factory rear bumper. Also comes with 2 of these brackets, and these brackets are pretty easy to install. I'm going to show you here in just a second. So the bracket itself, you just got to make sure that the welded nuts are facing inwards, and you just slide them into the frame, press them up against the frame, slide them in, and basically what that's going to allow you to do here, let me show you. Alright, so as you can see here, the bracket, once you slide the bumper all the way in, you can see here there's 2 slots. You'll push them forward, and then basically they'll line up with these 2 locations here. You'll put the bolts that comes with the bumper into here, and then the old bolts that came out of here, which I showed earlier, basically will go right back in. And that's basically it. The bumper itself just slides right on top of the frame all the way in, and then you have the option of either wiring up your pods to your reverse light or putting them on a separate switch. I think I'm gonna put them on my reverse lights. It should be pretty easy, and that's about it. But it definitely looks good. I'm gonna give you guys some pictures here once I have them installed, and it's a full width. It's gonna basically be just right with those 2 fenders that we have, and it's gonna match the front bumper that we got on here. There we go. Yeah, it's gonna look good.